Magic Marine is very important to us. This is the second Olympic cycle we are together. They've been giving close to my sons, which is very important. And I think above all, they have a very family culture. And so we are very happy with that. Certainly we are very pleased with the equipment. The close now I am with the thickest we can get, which is the 3mm and the 3mm, and then I put a spray top on top, which is my favorite because that really breaks the wind.